and mankind, which we are found on the Horn of Africa. This nation is the one of the rich people within natural resources and natural vegetation. But their wealthy and rights taken by the fascist fighter and imperialists. The majority of these people are falls under colonization and poverty for a long century. That means for 130 and something years. Therefore, they do not know what is light is it. Because they live in dark life. They're poor. Now, today, we are homeless. We are vulnerable and victims. We need the UNHCR protection workers to discuss with us about our conditional problem. Black means a diamond. Black means a beauty. Black means a country. Black means a nation. Black means a color. Therefore, we need a responsibility and solution from this office. We need solution from this office, from UNHCR, from human rights.